Reproduction in animals follows a well-organized cycle, and understanding it is essential for every veterinarian. Welcome to Vetcare. Today, we're breaking down one of the most important topics in animal reproduction, female reproductive cyclicity. Female reproductive cyclicity allows mammals to reproduce by providing repeated chances for pregnancy. In mammals, this cyclicity occurs as the menstrual cycle or the estrous cycle. Most domestic animals follow the estrous cycle. This cycle begins after puberty and continues throughout reproductive life. It stops temporarily during pregnancy, lactation, seasonal influences, stress, poor nutrition, or reproductive disorders. The estrous cycle is a series of predictable reproductive events. It starts at estrus, commonly called heat, and ends at the next estrus. Estrus is the period of sexual receptivity. During this time, the female allows mating. After mating, ovulation occurs. If fertilization occurs, pregnancy maintained, and the cycle stops temporarily and resumes only after parturition, uterine involution, and lactation. If fertilization does not occur, the cycle repeats. Proper terminology is important for clarity when discussing reproductive physiology. Estrus is a noun that refers to the heat period itself. For example, the cow is in estrus and will accept the male. Estrus is an adjective that describes the cycle, as in, cattle have an estrus cycle of about 21 days. The same spelling rules apply to related term. Anestrus refers to a period of reproductive inactivity. For example, the bitch is in anestrus between heat periods. The term season refers to a specific time of year during which estrus cycles occur, especially in seasonal breeders. For example, mares have a breeding season in spring and summer during which multiple estrus cycles occur. Estrus cycles are classified based on how often they occur during the year, which helps in understanding breeding patterns in different species. According to this classification, animals are grouped as polyestrous, seasonally polyestrous, or monoestrous. Polyestrous animals show estrus cycles throughout the year without seasonal restriction. Cattle and pigs are common examples. These animals can conceive at any time of the year if health and nutrition are adequate, making breeding management easier. Seasonally polyestrous animals cycle only during specific seasons of the year, mainly influenced by day length. Sheep and goats are short-day breeders and begin cycling as day length decreases, usually in autumn. Horses are long-day breeders and start cycling as day length increases in spring, ensuring birth occurs in favorable conditions. Monoestrous animals have only one estrus cycle per year. Dogs fall into this category. Although domestic dogs may cycle once every several months, they are still considered monoestrous. Their estrus period is long, which increases the chance of successful mating. Cats, or queens, have a distinct reproductive pattern compared to many domestic animals. They are seasonally polyestrous, meaning they show repeated estrus cycles during specific seasons of the year, mainly when day length increases. This usually occurs from late winter to early autumn. Cats are also induced ovulators, which means ovulation does not occur automatically. Instead, ovulation is triggered by mating. If a queen does not mate during estrus, ovulation does not occur, and she returns to estrus again after a short interval. This results in repeated heat periods until mating occurs or the breeding season ends. This unique reproductive pattern explains why female cats may appear to be constantly in heat during the breeding season and highlights the importance of proper breeding management and population control in cats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Vetcare.